Are you tired of feeling like you never have enough money, no matter how hard you work? Do you want to take control of your finances and start making progress towards your financial goals? If so, budgeting is a great place to start. Budgeting is a crucial aspect of managing your money and making the most of your income. Whether you're a student trying to stretch your allowance, a working professional trying to save for the future, or a business owner looking to maximize profits, a budget can help you get on the right track. But budgeting isn't just about cutting back and saving money, it's also about setting financial goals and making a plan to achieve them. With a budget, you can get a clear picture of your income and expenses, set aside money for the things that matter most to you, and make informed decisions about how to use your money. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a budget that works for you. So let's get started. Start by listing your income and expenses. To create a budget, you need to know how much money you have coming in and going out. Make a list of all your sources of income, such as your salary or any rental income, and your fixed expenses, such as rent and bills. Don't forget to include variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment, as well. Set financial goals. Knowing what you want to achieve with your money can help you make better budgeting decisions. Do you want to save up for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Setting clear financial goals can help you allocate your money wisely. Create a plan. Once you have a list of your income and expenses and know what you want to achieve, you can start putting together a budget. Decide how much money you want to set aside for savings, bills, and other expenses, and try to stick to it as closely as possible. Don't forget to leave some room for unexpected expenses and have a plan for how to deal with them. Review and adjust. A budget is not set in stone, you may need to make adjustments as your financial situation changes. Review your budget regularly to see if you need to make any changes, and don't be afraid to make adjustments as needed. I hope these tips have helped you get started with budgeting. Remember, a budget is a tool to help you manage your money and achieve your financial goals. With a little planning and discipline, you can take control of your finances and create a brighter financial future.